Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rheza Rahman. I'm from Pakistan. Today, I would like to presentation my essay writing. The title of this topic is Toko Daring. On this occasion, I will explain four topics, including first, why I choose this topic. Second, what is government procurement of goods and service? Third, what is about Toko Daring and how Toko Daring works? And the last topic is conclusion. The first topic, why I choose this topic. There are four reasons why I choose this topic. First, this topic is not many people know. Not many people know about the procurement of goods and service. Ordinary people only see the terms as a purchase when they want to own an item. But in government, it is different. Purchasing in government is called the procurement of goods and service, or we call PPG. And then the second reason I choose this topic is this topic is close to everyday life. When you visit a government office and enter any office, you will see many items such as tables, chairs, computer. Now, this mechanism in the government is called the procurement of goods and service, or PBG. The third reason why I choose this topic is related what I learned during in the college. When I took an introduction lecture on state financial management, I received material on the procurement of goods and service, which made it easier for me to make this topic. And the last reason is this topic is very interesting for me to review. This topic is exciting for me because it is significantly related to my life later when I will work in government agencies. The next topic is what is the government procurement of goods and service? Procurement of goods and service, or we call PBJ, is an activities of procurement of goods and service by government agencies which are financed by APBN or APBD, whose process starts from identification of needs up to the handover of the goods and service. The procurement of goods and service has several goals. There are six goals. First, to promote economic equity. Second, to increase creative industry participation. Third, to increase domestic production. Fourth, to increase the involvement of womankind. Five, to produce goods that are right on target. And the last goal is encouraging sustainable procurement. If you look all these goals have the ultimate goal. We call this as achievement of good governance. What is good governance? Good governance is the responsible and credible management of the country from various aspects, including political, social, and administrative to economic and financial aspects. The next topic is what is about Toko Daring and how Toko Daring works. Toko Daring is an information system developed and managed by the Government Goods or Service Procurement Policy Institute or LKPT to facilitate the implementation of e-purchasing of the procurement of goods or service of government agency through UMKM in the form of marketplace and online retail. In this section, I will explain about how Toko Daring use. There are 6 steps to successful using Toko Daring. I will explain the 6 steps in the next slide. First, you can access the online store website. You can access the Toko Daring website. I mean, in the www.lpsa.lkpp.go.id. You can input username and password. For your information, the person who can log in the Toko Daring is the procurement official or the person in charge of the PBJ. Next, select Bela Pengadaan. Click aplikasi procurement and we will be direct to website Toko Daring. After that, choose Bela Pengadaan. Because why I choose the Bela Pengadaan? Because it is the most complete platform. Compared to other several options will appear like PDN non-UMK, kurasi lokal, and kurasi lainnya. Okay. Next. Third, choose an item category. Let me give you assumption. We will to order a chair because we will to order a chair which is furniture, or you can directly search in the column with the keyword chairs. Or select the good according to the specification that have been set. 5. Fill the address and make a payment. You can fill the address with click tambah alamat. And next, you make payment. For your information, in the procurement of goods and service, the payment methods provided are two methods. First, only cash, and the last is the bank transfer. And the last step is check the payment status. If the payment status is successful, it means that the procurement of goods and service, or we call PBJ, that you did was successful. And congratulations. And if the payment status has not been successful, you just wait 24 hours. And if more than 24 hours it has not successful, you can report it to customer service. And the last part is conclusion. What is the conclusion? There's a writing. The conclusion is Toko Daring platform as a marketplace is very effective and efficient. Therefore, this can realize financial management with the principle of good government in the future. Okay guys, see you and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.